If somebody sneaks up behind you, already you were not aware of your surroundings. Remember, we want to have the world in our 10 and 2, our 10 and 2. It's the funnel of our vision. And often, if we're in a situation that might lend itself to something dangerous, our 10 and 2 goes behind us. And we're always looking. And if we have any sense that maybe there's somebody back there, we'll go across the street, we go into a building, we do whatever we can to put distance and barriers between ourselves and the potential antagonist. It doesn't mean you got to turn around and say, hey, don't come near me, I'm going to kung fu you. You just simply take yourself out of the equation. But being attacked from the back is difficult because obviously they're not to the front and they have that advantage. That's where the real elbows come up, the rear donkey kicks, things of that nature, rear headbutts into their teeth and their mouth. But that takes a lot of practice and it takes some skill. So hopefully you'll never be attacked because your 10 and 2 is everywhere. You take it with you wherever you go.